Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a patriotic donut. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our patriotic donut, let's begin by making a nice circle. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a nice big circle shape right here on the paper. Next, I'm going to make a small circle right inside the middle. Now right around here, I want to make the icing, and I'm going to make this pretty close to the edge of the donut. So I'm just going to make a wavy line that goes all the way around here. You can make some get a little bit closer to the edge. Now right inside here we want to make a face. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. Leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Inside each eye we'll put a little black dot for the pupil. And for the mouth we'll make a line across. And then a line that's going to come down and up with a little sad face across. Now, right across the middle, I'm going to be making a wavy line to kind of separate the two halves of the donut. So we'll just make a line that's going to go up and then down, and then we'll go up and down again. Now I'm going to make a few more of these, so I'm just going to kind of follow that same shape. So I'm just going to kind of go up and down and up and down. We'll do another one here, and we'll do one here. Now up here I want to put a few small stars on here. Now to draw a star, all you do is this. You make a line that's going to come up and then down like an upside down V. Then you make two lines that come out on each side. You make a line that comes in on each side. Then you go down and then down and up for a simple star. Now I'm going to put a few more stars all around here, and I'm going to make a few of them kind of going off of the icing just a little bit. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute patriotic 4th of July donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.